Today I'm going to demonstrate how to attach a boat fender to your boat using a cord claw. Whether you're attaching your boat fender horizontally or vertically, it's a very simple task. First thing I did was I tied the cord claw to the end of the rope that's holding the boat fenders. The reason we tied the cord claw to the boat fender rope is so it's less likely to get lost, it won't sink, and it's easier to attach the boat fender to the boat rail. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the rope around the boat rail and slip the rope into the top claw of the cord claw where we are already tied to the cord claw. I'm going to put my finger over that to hold it in place just to make the whole process easier. Then I'm going to pull up the rope and slip it into the lower portion of the cord claw. Then I'm going to pull the two ropes slightly into the claws, and it's going to make it solid so it's not going anywhere. Next thing, I can take the other side, do the same thing, wrap it around the boat rail. I'm going to put the rope closest to the boat rail into the top part of the cord claw. Then I'm going to pull up the rope while I hold my finger over the top part and slip the rope into the lower part. Then I'm going to secure it by tugging on the rope a little bit. And as you can see, it's perfectly solid. It's not going anywhere. Then if you want to adjust the height of the boat fender, it's just as easy. You put your finger on the top portion of the rope to hold it into the top part of the cord claw where it's closest to where it's tied. Just put your finger there just to kind of hold it. Pull out the rope from the bottom one, lower it to however you want, and just put it right back in. Same thing to the other side. Put your finger over the top part because you don't want that's already set. And just pull up the bottom a little bit, comes right out, lower to your height, and then just go ahead and set it right back in, and you're already set with a new height, and it's just as solid as it was before. Now then, if you have to change the height again, remember, put your finger on the top rope closest to the rail, right at the top of the cord claw. Grab that rope, put your finger underneath it, and then pull the lower portion of the rope up. It comes right out. Set your height, and just slip it right back in. You're all set to go. Go to the other side, finger for the top rope, pull the bottom rope, get your height, set it. You're good to go. It's solid. All right, for doing it, setting it vertically, it's even easier. You do the top, put your finger under the cord claw at the top, where the closest to the knot on the cord claw and the top of the rope. Then you pull up your boat fender, you slip it into the lower portion of the cord claw, and you're good to go. It's solid as can be. If you need to lower it, grab the top rope, put your finger under it, grab the lower part of the rope, lower it to the height you want, slip it right back into the cord claw. You can set it a little bit, and it's solid. You want to bring it back up, finger under the top portion of the cord claw, pull your rope up to your height, just set it where you want it to go, and as solid as can be. I hope this video helped, and have fun with your cord claw. Thank you. Buy your cord claw from Sarasota Quality Products at www.sarasotaQP.com.